I think I found a new holy grail product for us naturals. What's up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. You already know it's your girl Porsha, and today's video is actually going to be a product review. Today's video is going to be a product review. I found this new product in Walgreens, y'all, and I actually turned out to love it, so I'm going to show you guys the product and all of that. I did do a twist out with the product. My hair, I have this wrapped around so I can have my edges laid. Y'all know how that go. Or whatever, my hair is braided up. So at the end of this video, if you want to see how my hair turned out with a braid out using this product, then go ahead and stay tuned all the way to the end of the video. The product that I came across is this product. It's called Twisted Sister, and I had never heard of this product. I've never seen it in like Walmart or Target. I don't usually go. Why is this not focusing? So let me see. This one is a leave-in conditioner. Twisted Sister leave-in conditioner. And then this one is I'm trying to read it backwards. It's a Dream Curl Gel Cream or something. Dream Curl Gel. So yeah, so I found this product. I came across it when I was in Walgreens. I don't usually shop at Walgreens. I happened to be going in there to pick up something from the pharmacy, and I was just walking down their hair aisle, and of course I saw the regular, you know, hair products, Shea Moisture, Aussie, you know, all your regular hair stuff that you see in Walmart and other stores. And I saw this and I was like, wow, I had never heard of this. So the brand is Twisted Sister Urban Therapy. It's salon inspired hair care from London. And I was like, from London? Let's see what like London talking about. Like, and then so the Dream Curl Gel has coconut, avocado, and almond oils. And that is the same for the leave-in conditioner as well. It says for all kinds of curls and textures. The curl gel says elongates curls, strong hold, and eliminates frizz. So, and then the curl gel says that it's lightweight, so you know that's good. And then, so the first thing that I was excited about, first of all, I do like that they had a girl with like curly hair pictured on the bottle. My only thing is, because it says Twisted Sister, I would have thought that the girl that they chose would have been just a little bit more melanated. But you know, girls with kinky or curly hair come in all shades. So you know, it is what it is. But anyways, I do like that they at least had her hair like in a kinky texture, curly texture on the bottle. I like that it was lime green, so that definitely made it stand out. Like when you're walking down the aisle looking for a hair product, the lime green would definitely make it stand out. And then the girl with the curly hair, you're like, what is this product? Yeah, so I definitely had to pick it up. I believe the product was like, it was no more than $15. It's been a few weeks since I bought it and I lost the receipt, but it was no more than $15. And the day that I went into Walgreens, it was buy one, get one 50% off. So I definitely thought that was a deal. I think it was actually like around $12. And then the other one I paid $6. So I paid around between $18 and $20 for both products. One thing I will say is I didn't see a shampoo or conditioner, and I feel like no hair product line is complete if you do not have a shampoo and a conditioner. Nevertheless, I did use the leave-in conditioner and the curl gel, and I do like the products as standalone products. So yeah, but anyway, so I started off with my hair. Originally I washed it with my Shea Moisture shampoo and conditioner that I showed in my hair wash routine video. If you haven't watched that, go ahead and check it out. I'll link it below. But yeah, so I start off with that. So after having conditioned hair, what I did was I took the leave-in conditioner and, you know, I just spread it on my hair, and I braided my hair. I combed out my hair and braided it into 4 plaits. The leave-out conditioner, so basically the smell of it, to me it smells like a margarita, y'all. It smells like a margarita. So the smell is good to me, and yeah, it smells good. It smells like a margarita. Let me go get my cup, y'all. But no, so it smells like a margarita. It's a pretty thick texture, and I feel like you get a lot for your money, because I don't know if you guys can see that. Come on, camera. I don't know if you guys can see. I just shook it up a little bit, but the product is, this is how big the product is. The product, I used about down to here for my first use. So I would say I could get about maybe 3 uses out of this whole bottle for like $12. So it's pretty good. The consistency of the product is pretty thick, which I like. You know, when you have coarse hair, hair that really requires moisture, you like thick products that will definitely moisturize your hair like they're supposed to. If it's like a water-based product and it's really thin and stuff, that's not gonna do nothing for your hair. I love the look of it, I love the smell, I love the texture, I love the packaging. So yes, I really did love this conditioner. This conditioner was awesome. It definitely is a bomb leave-in conditioner, so this definitely is a product that I would say that I would use again. And then next we have the Twist Gel, the Twisted or the Amazing Dream Curl Gel. And this one as well smells like a margarita. But yeah, so you see the consistency. This is a little bit more watery. Y'all, this is still like pretty much a whole container of product. So when I was using this, I'm not sure if it was because I had the leave-in conditioner in my hair or what, but when I was using this, I didn't feel like I had to use too much of this product. And actually I have type 4 hair. I wouldn't say my hair necessarily curls. It curls in some areas, but most spaces of my hair is just like a crinkle, not necessarily a curl. And when I put this product on, I can say it definitely defined like my crinkle or my curls in certain areas. So I definitely do like this product. So just like the leave-in conditioner, I like the packaging, I like the smell, I do like the texture. It's a loose texture, but it has enough thickness to, like, you know, where you feel like it's actually doing something for your hair, and it actually does define your curl or whatever your hair pattern is. I did notice that it was defining. So yeah, I really like this product. I'm thinking about, I may want to use this product without using the leave-in conditioner to try to and see if I can do a wash and go on my type 4 hair. So if you guys would like to see that, definitely comment down below and let me know you would like to see me try to do a wash and go with this product. So yeah, these are the 2 products, you guys. I definitely do like them. I would say that I would definitely purchase them again. It's something I would invest in again. You know, I was really thinking about not telling y'all, because I feel like once I tell y'all, y'all either gonna go buy the product or people gonna start buying it more, and then they're gonna start hiking up the prices and stuff like that. And I just need the prices to stay low and the product to stay good. Okay, so y'all don't start doing too much. You know, a few of y'all go and buy it here and there, but don't start doing too much. I need to be able to still go in there and buy this product. So, but anyway, but yeah, that's my review on the product, you guys. I really like the product. I believe you guys should definitely check it out. If you do go and purchase it and use it on your hair, let me know how you like it. Let me know your hair type, what it did for your hair or what it didn't do. But yeah, so yeah, let's go ahead and get on with this twist out. I know they say it's good to use oil when you take out your twist. Y'all see I had that on there? Trying to lay the edges. I'm not the best at laying the edges game, but y'all don't even worry. I'm going to progress or whatever. But I forgot to grab my oil, so I'm not. Craig, let me borrow some money. Craig. No, I was like Felicia on Friday, y'all. Craig, let me borrow some money, Craig. So let's go ahead and start taking out this braid out. So yes. Okay, Cherry, you doing the most. And at this point, my hair has been braided up for like 3.5 days, I think. Because I refuse to take this braid out. Y'all was at work looking like Felicia and stuff. I have refused to take this braid out until I was able to do this video. So I sacrificed for y'all, you see? I'll wait until I finish taking out my whole head to like spread them apart. But y'all see that? Y'all see the definition of those crinkles? Yes. Yes. It was worth the wait, baby. guys, so this is the finished product with my twist out. I do love it. There's so much definition in my crinkles. So yes, y'all, I'm so happy with this twist out, like definition galore. One thing I did notice when I was taking my twist out was there was like a white flaky fallout when I was taking down my twist. And on some parts of my hair in person, like you can see a little bit of a white tint, but nothing that's, you know, too alarming. It may be because it might be because I like to OD with hair products, and maybe it was not, the product was not meant for me to leave the leave-in conditioner along with the gel. So like I said, I do plan to use the curl gel by itself, and once I do that, like a wash and go with the curl gel by itself, I'll let you guys know in that video if the product still has a fallout, because it may have a fallout because these are very moisturizing heavy products, and because I use them both together and I was pretty heavy-handed when I was using the product, that may be why I saw the fallout. But overall, I really love it. I love my twist out. I love the product, girl. Right, if you guys are not already subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Go ahead and actually hit the bell as well so you can get a notification every time that I post a new video. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching.